Hi, friends, students, and educated people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into two kinds, two parts: hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills. What are soft skills? There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They're all there. So these soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why. See, that is why I am giving this intro today. Please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day. Friends, Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The name of the lecture today is Listening Unuttered Messages is Key to Interpersonal Success. Listening unuttered messages. The speaker has not uttered those messages. You grasped them. How you have to do that? With the message will start. When you learn to translate every event of life into a positive one, you stop being prisoner of past and become designer of future. Wonderful message. Coming to the topic, John Keats said, heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. Unuttered messages have greater significance than the uttered ones. Untold messages for successful interpersonal relationships. 7% through words, 38% through vocal, that is tone, stress, etc. and 55% is non-verbal in the communication of message. In many lectures earlier, we have come to know that 7% for words, 38% for tone, 55% for non-verbal behavior. Wherever a child faces danger, he hides himself behind any object like chair, table, almirah or human being. If child faces danger, he hides himself behind something. Message. Most soft skills training can be had from our day-to-day observations. From our day-to-day observations, most soft skills training can be had. Coming to the point, child when faces danger, he hides behind some object or human being, etc. But grownups will take help from their own arms. Grownups don't hide. They take up with their own arms. They are ready to fight. Human beings have a common tendency to cover their mouth, eyes or ears when they have encountered with a lie or disease. When they encounter a lie or disease, what human beings do? They cover their mouth or eyes or ears. When the listener uses his palm to support his face, it is a signal that boredom has taken place in him. When he uses his hand like this, that means he faces boredom. Evaluation is shown by a closed palm resting on the cheek. Evaluation is shown by a closed palm resting on the cheek. That is evaluation. Unuttered messages like various gestures indicate various meanings. You got now? You heard unuttered messages. Okay? Heads are sweeter, unheard are more sweeter. Right? That is why you need to observe both uttered messages and unuttered messages from the speaker. Right? Before closing this lecture, I'll give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.